Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, most of the dollar pairs do look like the dollar index itself looks like it needs to go up longer term. So I mean, there is definitely a possibility this is just going to keep on going up. But to me, it still looks like a wave A, it still looks like a wave B, it still looks like it needs to go down and make a wave C, like I've been forecasting for a very long time now. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave 1, mostly because this over here just seems so extremely clear to me to be 5 waves for A. This seems extremely clear to me to be 3 waves of B. That means that this would be a wave 1 and that this would be a wave 2, and it potentially would go down and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C. Now, we don't really know for sure if this is the case. Like I said, most other US dollar pairs look like they're going to continue to trend, so we're just going to go with the flow on sort of time frames and see what happens. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, this seems very, very overextended, but it definitely did turn at the 78%. It really has not made an engulfing move. It has not made a break of structure, so we really can't say for sure yet that the wave 2 is over, and we're just going to have to keep an eye on it, because if this move down we currently have is going to make a 3-way pattern, then we'll know that we need to switch up and keep looking for longs. On the other hand, if this move down becomes very impulsive, then we'll know that this is the end of a wave 2 and that we need to keep on looking for shorts in a downtrend. So taking it right down to the 4-hour time frame. So we did have a very impulsive move down on the 4-hour time frame. We did break some little bit of structure on the 4-hour. Not really that important structure, but we'll see. Now, at this point, we just need to observe to see if it does this, 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, or whether it does this, 1, 2, 3 waves down with a nice big engulfing move like this, like a 1, 2, 3. There's definitely a difference between a 1, 2, 3 and an ABC as long as you pay attention. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, we don't really know for sure whether this first move down right here is a wave 1 or a wave A. And I don't really care whether it's a wave 1 or a wave A. This right here definitely looks like it could be either a wave B or a wave 2. I don't really care whether it's a wave B or wave 2 because it's exactly the same trading strategy. The next move down is where it starts to get important, because if it does this, that's the picture of a wave C, and that tells us to stop looking for shorts and go back to longs. On the other hand, if it decides to do this, that's the picture of a wave 3, and that will tell us what we need to do based on the higher time frames, and it should confirm that the wave 2 is over on the higher time frames. So the best thing to do is just observe it to see if it makes an ABC or 1, 2, 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.